New Zealand. In the darkness of New Zealand's ancient forests hides a mysterious creature. It is the kakapo, a flightless nocturnal parrot, a living treasure of nature from Australia. The kakapo is a hermit of the bird world, with a unique appearance and a slow-paced life. But behind its adorable exterior lies a tragic story and extraordinary efforts for conservation. Join me in exploring the survival journey of this bird and discovering why the kakapo has become one of the world's most beloved animals. The kakapo is a perfect combination of cuteness and mystery. Its large, round, jet black eyes, like to precious gems, help it observe the world in the dark. Its shimmering green feathers not only serve as camouflage, but also create a unique beauty. Its curved, strong beak is an excellent tool for peeling seeds and crushing food. And its sturdy legs help it move nimbly on the ground. Kakapos are expert climbers. They use their beaks like a hook to grip tree bark and move up and down with ease. This ability helps them search for food and avoid danger. When night falls, New Zealand's forests don a mystical cloak, and the kakapo begins its journey in search of food. With its strong beak, it easily digs through the soil, finding fruits hidden beneath layers of decaying leaves. Its keen eyesight allows it to spot ripe fruits from afar. Every movement is swift and agile. Perhaps, in this moment, the kakapo is savoring the joy of discovery and indulgence. The kakapo has a unique evolutionary history. When New Zealand separated from Australia, the kakapo became isolated and evolved in a different direction. While parrots in Australia diversified in colour and behaviour, the kakapo adapted to life on the ground. The absence of large ground predators allowed the Kakapo to develop a slow and safe lifestyle. While Australian parrots typically live in flocks and make noisy calls, the Kakapo is a solitary bird that enjoys tranquility. It leads a simple life, spending most of its time eating and sleeping. New Zealand once had no ground predators. However, the arrival of humans and introduced species pushed the Kakapo to the brink of extinction. Overhunting and habitat destruction have led to the extinction of over 50 bird species here. Currently, only about 154 Kakapo individuals remain. The Kakapo's breeding process is very slow. They do not breed annually and only reproduce when there is enough food. This makes it difficult for their population to increase quickly. Currently, the Kakapo primarily lives on Codfish Island, where scientists and conservation staff strive to protect them from predators. Genetic technology brings new hope for the survival of the Kakapo. Decoding their genes will help scientists better understand the relationships between individuals and find effective ways to conserve this bird species. Thanks to dedicated care, the Kakapo population has grown, but more significant efforts are still needed to ensure their survival. The Kakapo is one of the bird species representing New Zealand's unique biodiversity. Their existence plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance in this area. The adaptation of flightless species in New Zealand reflects development in an environment without predators. But this is easily threatened by human-induced changes. The kakapo is not just a bird, but also part of New Zealand's ecological heritage. Protecting the kakapo is our responsibility to future generations. Let's join hands in protecting the environment, ensuring that rare animals, like the kakapo, always have a safe home to live in, and continue sharing their story with future generations.
Oh, look at that. Ow. God, he's got sharp claws.
If you're interested in wildlife stories,